I just hit $10,000 in Skool affiliate money. And I wanted to show you some of the ways that I share my link because I don't really feel like I worked hard to get this $10,000. So I'm going to show you how I do it and how it makes it feel like kind of easy for me. And then I'm also going to do the payout for this $30, show you like my little family routine at the end. So one of the ways that I share my affiliate link is I go ahead and copy my affiliate link over here. This is going to, if somebody wants to sign up with Skool and start their own community, I just copy this one. And in my community, I have it as one of the links inside. So if somebody's on a computer on a desktop, they're going to see this saying where it says create your own community. That's my affiliate link. This is something that you can have if you're on the pro plan. So if you're not on the pro plan, I'm going to show you another way you can do it. But when you're in the plugins, you can scroll down, you'll see links are on. Just click on it, add a link, create your own community. It's public right now. I don't think that they're going to have this soon, but they would still be able to see it if they're inside your community, which is really helpful. Another way that I do it is since I'm all in on Skool and I don't have my own website, I don't have a landing page for like a lead magnet or anything. Everything is just inside my communities. I use my website link down here for my affiliate link, which has also been very helpful. So the way to do that is you want to go over, you're going to click on your user menu, you're going to drop it down, hit settings. Once you're in settings, go to profile. And you're going to go down to your social links. So that same link that you grabbed, you're just going to put it right here. And that is another way. So like when I'm here and I wanted to, somebody clicks on it and they want to start their own community, it's going to pop up and it's going to say invited by me because it is my affiliate link. So it's going to take a minute to load, of course. All right, there. Cool. Another way that I make the affiliate money is I recommend communities that I really enjoy being a part of. So for example, Scoot, it's a CRM for Skool. They have a lot of amazing things and it was really easy to affiliate for them because I have this product and I believe in this product. I use Scoot. In fact, right now you can see it doesn't look like I have any messages or any notifications because I'm in focus mode. Those are turned off so I don't have to see them. There's so many different things, but for me, I think Scoot is one of the tools that really helps people and creators make more money within their community. That's the one thing that I could find that was different. And then you'll notice Sam's in here too. Pretty cool, huh? But yeah, so I just share this because it's easy. You just copy the affiliate link. When you click on settings, you copy it. You see I've already made $100 from one referral. Another one would be like Grow with Evelyn. I've had a couple of other referrals, so it only tells you your active referrals, but I've made some money there too. It was really easy because people do want to join Evelyn's community. So I just let them know like, hey, I'm in here. If you'd like to use my affiliate link, that would be awesome. It's very casual and very simple. It's better though this way. I really like how Skool has set it up where you have to be in the community because then you're giving advice and like telling people to join something that you're already a part of, which is pretty cool. So now we're going to go back and we're going to cash out that $30. Let me get one of my family members over here. Hold on one second. Okay, so one of the things that we do in my household is the affiliate money is something that I do with my son. So he really, really likes hearing the ka-ching noise. And we have this little saying where, like, because it pops up, it says, yeah, boy. And so he likes to say that with me. So we check my affiliates daily. I know some people will let this rack up and then they have like huge numbers and everything. We don't do that because for us, it's like a little bonding experience. He gets to see me all day working on Skool. And so he gets to be a part of like the money cashing out for affiliates, which is really fun. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my payouts and then I'm going to let him hit the ka-ching. Okay, tell everybody hi.
Hi.
All right, you ready to click the ka-ching?
Yeah.
Ready?
Set,
Set, go.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, so that is getting to my first 10K with Skool affiliates and what we do as a family to kind of celebrate that. It's a lot of fun. So if you haven't done this already, you should definitely go out there and start sharing your affiliate link Maybe use some of the ways that I showed you in the video, or just start talking to people that you know that might be really good at having their own community, and let them know, like, hey, use my affiliate link. It would help me out. People love to help each other out. So that is my encouragement for today. So yeah, boy.